My Shark WANDVAC system helps me tackle messes both big and small. But just like my home, even my vacuum needs a little TLC to help it live long. It doesn't take much to get the most out of your Shark WANDVAC system. Here are a few tips to help you maintain it. First, make sure and empty the dust cup after every use. Next, clear any debris caught in the dust cup. It's also important to check the small screen inside of your dust cup to ensure no long hairs or debris have become caught, which can sometimes cause a reduction in suction. Next, we recommend removing and hand washing the filter. With the dust cup open and the power off, press the filter release latch below the handle and pull out the filter housing. To remove the filter, squeeze both tabs on the side of the orange filter and pull to remove it from the dust cup. Next, you can clean the cyclone of your hand vac by pulling on the wire handle to remove. To clean both, rinse under running water. Then allow them to air dry completely before inserting back into the vacuum. Leaving them out to dry for 24 hours usually does the trick. To check for a clog, remove the hand vacuum and nozzle and drop a coin through the wand. If the coin drops through, no clog. We also recommend checking the hand vac and the floor nozzle. Turn the floor nozzle over and inspect the brush roll. Sometimes socks and other small clothing items can get caught up by accident. To access the brush roll to clear any clogs you might find, use a coin to twist open the locks on the bottom of the nozzle. Remove any debris or blockages. To check for clogs in the hand vac, empty the dust cup and look into the snout for any debris that may be caught. With minimal maintenance, you can ensure your Shark WANDVAC system is always ready when you need it. With the WANDVAC system, Shark's got your whole home covered. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.